Welcome to today's tutorial on removing falsy values from an array in JavaScript. Data cleaning and preparation are critical steps in programming, especially when you're dealing with user input, API responses, or data analysis. This tutorial will walk you through a simple yet powerful method to remove unnecessary values, such as false, null, zero, undefined, empty strings, and none from your arrays. We'll explore this process step by step and discuss its significance in real-world applications. In JavaScript, falsy values are values that evaluate to false in Boolean context. These include false, null, zero, empty strings, undefined, and none. Our objective is to filter out these falsy values from a given array, leaving only truthy values. For example, given the array 0, 1, false 2, space 3, none, null, the results after filtering should be 1, 2, and 3. This operation is especially useful when cleaning up data before further processing or analysis. This is the modern JavaScript code we'll be using. The compact function leverages the filter method, which iterates through each element in the array. By passing the Boolean function as the filter criterion, we ensure that only the truthy values are retained. The Boolean function automatically evaluates each element, returning true for truthy saved values and false for falsy ones. This concise implementation is a great example of JavaScript's functional programming capabilities. This shows the process of filtering falsy values from the array. Starting with the input array, 0, 1, false, 2, space 3, none, and null. Each element is evaluated. For example, 0 is falsy and gets removed, while 1 is truthy and remains in the array. By applying this logic to every element, we end up with the final array 1, 2, and 3. This process ensures that only meaningful, truthy data is preserved. This table provides a deeper analysis of how compact function handles various test cases. For instance, in the first case, all falsy values are removed, leaving the array of 1, 2, and 3. In the second example, all elements are falsy, so the result is an empty array. Finally, the third example demonstrates that when all elements are truthy, the array remains unchanged. This version of the code demonstrates the use of modern JavaScript features, like arrow functions. The logic remains the same, but the syntax is more concise and easier to read. With just one line of code, we can filter out all falsy values from an array. Removing falsy values has numerous practical applications. For example, in data cleaning, it helps eliminate invalid or redundant data entries. In form validation, it ensures that empty fields are ignored. When working with APIs, it can clean up the data received. And in general, it optimizes performance by reducing the size of arrays. In conclusion, removing falsy values is a straightforward yet powerful technique for managing data in JavaScript. It simplifies arrays, ensures that only meaningful data is retained, and helps in debugging and validation tasks. I encourage you to integrate this approach into your projects to streamline your data processing workflows. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.